Hello everyone, in this video learn about digital documentation. Dear children, what is the digital documentation? You know that? In earlier days, manual typewriters were used for the typing a document, which has been replaced by electronic typewriter, and now a computer is used for this purpose. Word processing, processing and communication and presentation are the most common activities performed in an office. Office productivity software is used to perform this activity effectively. A document is a paper with the written contents, and the process of preparing a document is called a documentation. I hope you understand, children. If you have any doubts, you ask me. Okay. As your next topic is data entry operator, a little care has to be taken while using the word processing software. A typist used to hit the spacebar number of times arrange the text. This is not required. The computer has the automated feature for editing and formatting are available. Word processing is the use of computer software, enter, edit, format, store, retrieve and print the document. The document can be letter, notice, report and business correspondence. I hope you understand this topic, children. A word processor is the computer application used for the production of printable material. In the beginning, WordStar was the most widely used word processing software. There are several limitations to using a typewriter, which are used as given below. Paragraph style. A paragraph in a document can have the several sentences. A single sentence, a single word or no words at all. Every paragraph in a LibreOffice Writer document has a paragraph style. The paragraph style setting have pop down window on can change the paragraph style by clicking on the pop down window and selecting the choice option. Dear children, actually paragraph is the adjust your word and sentence. I hope you understand this topic. Your next topic is using the bullet and numbering. You can assign the bullets or numbering to the list item in the document by using the option on the bullets on numbering toolbar. You can also create a nested list by using the button on the bullets and numbering toolbar. The general option available bullets and number are shown in this figure. Look at this picture, dear children. It is so important. This is your next option is print preview. You know that, children, what is the print preview? Okay, a print preview is useful to check the document before printing. A user can check whether the document is prepared as needed, such as the addendum border. Okay, children, I hope you understand these topics. Your next topic is mail merge. Mail merge is so important topics, dear children. Mail merge is very important feature of word processor. It is used to create a series of same documents with the multiply address. Mail merge is the process of merging the main document with the mailing address of the various person. The main document is merged with the mailing address, hence the name mail merge. It is used to send the invitation letter or to print certificates of several people. I hope you understand this topic. Is the so important mail merge. Mail merge is the very important feature of the word processor. For example, if your principal of class teacher want to send the letter of notice your parents regarding any meeting or function, obviously the matter of the letters will be the same, but the address will be different. For the different parents, on way is create to letter in writer. Copy the address from address list, change the address to each set of parents to print the letter. The procedure of copying and the changing is repeated as many times as the number of parents. This way, creating multiple documents become very time consuming and tedious. It is not possible to there hundred of thousand address. The word processor has